Imagine waking up, and before you even open your eyes, your emails are sorted, your meetings are scheduled, and your entire day is optimized. All thanks to AI. In this video, I'll show you 10 mind-blowing AI life hacks that will 10x your productivity. Hack number 1. AI-generated daily plans, Motion AI. Struggling to plan your day? Meet Motion AI, an advanced productivity assistant that schedules your tasks dynamically. No more wasted time. Hack number 2. AI note-taking, Notion AI and Otter.ai. Tired of writing notes? Notion AI and Otter.ai summarize meetings and voice memos instantly. Let AI do the writing for you. Hack number 3. AI-powered email automation, Superhuman and ChatGPT. Drowning in emails? Superhuman and ChatGPT categorize and prioritize messages while generating smart responses instantly. Hack number 4. AI-powered learning, Perplexity AI and Elicit.org. Want to learn faster? Perplexity AI and Elicit.org provide instant, well-researched answers so you never waste time searching again. Hack number 5. AI meeting assistant, Fireflies.ai and Rewind AI. Forget taking meeting notes. Fireflies.ai and Rewind AI transcribe and summarize key points so you never miss important discussions. Hack number 6. AI-powered content creation, Canva AI and Descript. Need content fast? Canva AI designs stunning visuals, and Descript lets you edit videos just by editing text. Hack number 7. AI-powered chatbots, ChatGPT and Poe AI. If you're a business owner, AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Poe AI handle customer support, answering FAQs on autopilot. Hack number 8. AI-powered productivity tracking, Rescue Time and Rise AI. Want to track your productivity? Rescue Time and Rise AI analyze your work habits and offer insights to maximize focus. Hack number 9. AI-powered smart home automation, Alexa and Google Assistant. Your home can be as productive as you are. Alexa and Google Assistant automate your morning routine with smart home integration. Hack number 10. AI-powered task delegation, Tascade and X.ai. The ultimate hack, AI task delegation. Tascade and X.ai assign tasks, set deadlines, and ensure everything gets done effortlessly. There you have it, 10 AI life hacks that will revolutionize how you work in 2025. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments.